Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the shop. Today I'm doing a little different type of video than I normally do. Um, Come across this on Acme Tools and felt it was too good of a deal not to share if you're into the Milwaukee line of cordless tools. Um, kids got me some, kids got me a couple Bear tools, which means they come without batteries. So in shopping for batteries, I come across this pack, and I'll explain it here in just a few seconds. So here's the Acme tool page, and what I was looking at is this Milwaukee M18 XC 5.0 battery starter kit, and it's two 5 amp hour batteries with a charger and a free bonus Bear tool or battery of choice, as you can see down here. When you hit the select button, they are out of the compact routers, but you have the choice of $150 light, $200 angle grinder. That's the 4.5 inch, 5 inch grinder, a 1/4 inch driver. I have one very similar to that. It's not the hydraulic driver. I use it all the time, love it. Have adapters to go to 1/2 inch, 3/8, 1/4 inch sockets. You can pick a third battery or the multi-tool cutter thing. Never used one of those, not even a corded one, although they do interest me. I ended up going with the grinder. I already have one, but I'd like to have one with a cutoff disc on it and one with a grinding disc on it, and then use my cheaper pourer one for wire wheel. So anyway, don't know if anybody's shopping, but I felt I should share this. Well, the other thing I found interesting is they have a 2 battery kit, same 2 batteries without a charger. That's $50 more. That's $250, but you get the tool. So why not have an extra charger on hand? And if the 5 amp hour batteries aren't good enough, they do make a kit just like this also with the 6 amp hour batteries, but I believe that's $270. So anyway, hope this helps somebody out or is interesting. So once again, thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. And please hit the like, subscribe button, comment, all that fun stuff. And enjoy.